Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. To know more about me, please visit our website. Today I am going to discuss Finishing Corporate Part 4. Finishing Corporate, as I have already told in my earlier video also, it's nothing, it's very similar. Finishing Corporate, Campus to Corporate, Campus Recruitment Training, and Campus Connect. All these four things are same. But I am using Finishing Corporate because I have divided the entire program under Apeksha group, and this comes under Apeksha Soft Skill Education. So I have divided under two part only, finishing school concept and finishing corporate concept for students all over India, for my existing students, for new and upcoming students. Let's discuss first of all, as I promised, I will be making learning and development video for my all students for all over India. It will be free of cost available on YouTube. So let's enjoy this part also and learn this very specifically and very seriously. So dressing that is very important for any interview, and dressing for girls and dressing for boys means success dressing for girls and success dressing for boys means what will be the dressing on the day of interview so that you will get 100% success. Always remember one thing, in any interview dressing gives you 50% success. Yes, always remember, dressing gives you 50% success in any interview, whether it's in India or abroad. Before that, 30% success comes from the very first question. As I told in my earlier video also, 30% success gives you the very first question when they will ask you, tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about your family background and tell me something which you have not mentioned in your resume. These three questions any interviewer will ask you at any point of time whenever you will face any interview. These three will be the very first question by the interviewer, and as I told in my earlier video, these three questions are different. You are not supposed to mix these three questions answer with the first question, that is tell me something about yourself, because tell me something about yourself is all about your resume. Whatever you have mentioned in your resume, you are supposed to narrate all those things in a chronological way, means starting with the name, career objective, then education, then project report and training, like that you are supposed to tell. So that part, the very first question will give you 30% success, and this dressing will give you 50% success, and remaining 10%, the top 5 question whatever they will ask you, that will bring 20% marks for you, that is 100% marks you will get if you follow my tips, tricks and techniques, whatever I will be discussing. As I promised, I will be making learning and development video now onward for my students all over India. Let's start with dressing for success for girls. Girls can enjoy even the dressings of the boys also, that is known as western dressing in India. Okay, to be very frank, for girls there are no various, first of all, as of now in modern days of interview there are no various, but for the government job we'll have to be very careful, especially for girls. Skirt shoot, that is very important for government job actually, and should not be less than 2 inches or something like that, or should not be above than 2 inches. Always remember, it should not be very short. If you are wearing a skirt shoot, it should not be very short, it should be at appropriate or adequate length. That is very important. Always remember, skirt shoot for girls for government job, but for private job you can wear boys like western dressing for India, that is known as western dressing for India, that is coat, pant, tie, eh, you can use, no problem at all. Then for girls, even flat shoes are also recommended. Yes, remember, flat shoes, cloth shoes coming, that is flat shoes you can wear, no problem. Then small to medium heels. Why it is recommended small to medium heels, not very high heels? Because most of the companies offices are having marble floor or tiles floor, which is very slippery. If you will be wearing very high heels, or if you don't have practice on that, then it might possible that you may feel some problem also, may feel difficulty also, you may get slip also. Means it's slippery floor actually. Marble floor and tiles floor, slippery floor. Okay. Light makeup. Always remember, you are not going for any party or fancy dress competition. It's an interview. So in any interview, Your makeup should be very light, very gentle, you can say very appealing, very attractive. Not it's like that a party makeup or uh, fancy dress competition. Then gentle perfume. Always use gentle perfume, not very hard perfume, so that others would not feel, especially interest would not feel bad about that. Then light jewelry. Most of the girls I have seen when I used to take an interview, they are in terms of jewelry, they are getting overdressed, means over jewelry. That is not recommended at all. It should be very light jewelry. Only 1, 2, 3 things, that is enough, more than enough, because not party or not fancy dress competition. Then light earrings. You should not have very long earring, okay? It should be very light earrings. It's small, simple. That is okay for girls. So these are the 8 points which you are supposed to take into concern, especially for girls. Dressing for success, which will give you 50% success in any interview, whether it's a government job interview, whether it's a private job interview, whether it's MNCs, whether it's a Fortune 500 company interview. Please remember this, okay? Now for boys, always remember, especially boys are very casual about dressing, and in an interview they are getting very low marks, and due to which they are simply fail. So please follow these tips, tricks and techniques. As I told also in the earlier video, blue, black pant or trouser, that is compulsory, means dark color. Always, it should not be white, white trouser or white pant and then wearing anything else. It's not recommended at all, especially in interview, because it's not party or fancy dress competition. Then shirt should be white, blue or cream shirt. That is recommended. Always remember. It is recommended. Shirt, white, blue or cream. White or blue, mostly recommended. Always remember in this country, especially for whether it's a government job, for private job. Then blue, black tie and belt. It should not be fancy tie or fancy belt, or it should be very short tie, a short belt, or some party belt or party tie. No, you are going for an interview, so maintain the etiquette of interview. That is very important. Then neatly groomed hair. Yes, your hair should be trimmed. Always remember, beard should be trimmed, mustache, and you are not going for any Guinness records competition and Limca record competition. So mustache should be trimmed, and nail also should be cut properly. That is important for you all, everybody, even for ladies also, for girls also, that is recommended. No ladies perfume. I have seen in my life, in my 25 plus of career, when I used to take the interview for the students, they are using ladies perfumes. They feel that it's a gentle perfume, that's this they can use. No, it's not. We know if you are using ladies perfume, because at our home also, my wife is there, my daughter is there, my mother is there, my bhabhi is there, so I know what type of perfume they are using. So we know immediately. We came to know, actually you are using ladies perfume, it means you are not at all perfect for hard job. Always remember, tie should touch belt buckle. When you are wearing tie, always remember it should touch a belt buckle. Always remember, that is very important. No bracelet, no bracelet in your hand, any type of, in Hindi we call it kada. No kada should be in your hand, and no bracelet in your hand. And that is very important. Above all, no religious tika. No religious tika. If you are going on the day of interview, any temple, Bajrangbali temple, Ganpati temple, and your tika, red tika, it's not at all recommended in any interview. Always remember, whether it's in India or abroad. So follow these tips, tricks and techniques. As I told you all very frankly, only dressing will give you 50% success in any interview. Remember this. And 30% success will come from the very first question. Tell me something about yourself, and you're supposed to answer as per resume, whatever you have written in your resume. Second question will be, tell me something about your family background. That is totally different question. You are not supposed to mix second question with the first one. And question number third, tell me something about which you have not mentioned in your resume. That is totally different question. And I have already given video on that. So go through that. Take into consideration very seriously, very specifically, if you are preparing for any interview in this country and outside this country. Okay? Thank you so much. God bless you.